What's up, guys? Boule Doyan Motor. We are in a very nice location. We are making some recon for some tour that I would like to provide later on with the Zero team. If you are interested, guy, I will let you know if you send me some comment or message. If you want to go on the tour with the Zero motorcycle, the Zero FX, the Zero DS, or the Zero S, or the Zero SR, we have 4 of them, so don't hesitate to contact me on the comment and let me know if you would be interested to go on the tour with us. And today we are in Kintamani. This is the Kintamani Volcano, and now we are going to explore black lava. So for those who don't know what black lava is, this is black lava. That's where the volcano was spitting the lava over there. And this is a lake. This is the Batu Lake, a place that I really love in Bali. So I wanted to share with you this unique experience of riding a motorcycle in Bali that just doesn't make any noise. And look at the scene. I mean, look at that, guys. Just beautiful. So what we're gonna try to offer is some tour around Bali with the Zero motorcycle. No emission, no sound, a peaceful way of riding and respecting the silence of this wonderful island. And that's what I like about the Zero, is another experience of riding. Good quality material. All those bikes have Showa suspension, ABS, and all the quality material, the quality build material is impressive on this bike. The funny thing of the FX is that we still have the noise of the chain transmission, where the DS behind me has a belt, much more silent. Gonna buy some drink. Makasih, Bu. Suksma. 12 tahun. Suksma, Bu. So yeah, that's the part of the Unity experience. The dogs, they are looking at us like, what's going on?
I love this road.
Okay, how do you feel?
Good.
You feel good, yeah?
Really good. I like it.
Be careful, sometimes the sand, the front wheel will just like be stuck in it.
Yeah.
You will have to resist.
Yeah.
We just go slow.
Yeah.
I mean, we just for fun.
Take it easy, yeah.
Yeah.
Enjoy the ride.
But look at the view that you have of the volcano now.
Yeah.
That's beautiful, man, in here. This bike can go anywhere, man. How the DS is going. That's actually, you see what you get there? That's the most difficult you will get.
That's the most difficult one.
Yes.
All right.
So it's okay?
Yeah.
So how do you love it?
I love it. I love it.
So you see what happened is that all that lava went down, and then it stopped to that mountain, and we can see where it stopped.
Yeah.
That's amazing. I love that place in Bali.
Yeah. You know, this is the kind of ride I want to get an adventure bike, you know, a dual sport.
What I like about the Zero actually is that you don't have to take care of the clutch.
No, that's what I love it. Yeah.
So it makes it more easy.
Yeah.
And I think for beginner, if they want to go on tour with a Zero, it's more easy.
I think it would be a good idea to convert all of the The SR and the S.
Yeah.
And the S.
Yeah, we should. Yeah, we should do that actually.
Yeah.
So yeah, for the people who really want to ride in another way, contact me in the comments. I love this place because it gives like a lunar atmosphere. Take some picture. Ah. Yeah, sorry for that. We did some modification. So
Modification for what? The bike?
no, but I say sorry for the mess because we have all the cable. We didn't put back the.
Oh yeah, Andrew hasn't put back the fairings.
Yeah, we didn't put back the fairing. We didn't even put back the mud guard.
Yeah.
We put the silly masks though, but
Oh, choose the nut doors though. Okay.
it's so you see the silence in here.
Yeah, that's why these motorbikes, really fits this area, right?
Yeah.
Total silence.
Yeah, it's exactly the temple where we were.
Yeah.
Funny though, yeah.
And the fire is there, right?
Yes.
Fire.
But anyway, that's where the lava was going, and
So the lava from that mountain there.
yes, from that volcano,
Right.
and then was going down in here.
It seems like it has two craters.
Yes, it is.
Oh, it has
There
two
is two.
craters. Right.
Sometimes you see fume on the small one.
Right.
Sometimes, if you go in the morning, you have the fume on the small one.
Right.
Yeah, but it's taller. It's taller,
Oh yeah.
but it's less tall than a CRF 250 though.
This one is, yeah.
I mean the FX.
But the suspension is not as soft as the CRF.
Oh, but this one is soft, man.
Alright.
This one actually, the seat is very comfortable. You okay, Aldo? Are you okay? I heard it.
Just couldn't get it.
Okay. Hold the brake.
Yeah, the brake is good.
You are in echo?
Okay, that's good.
Put a bit of gas.
Uh-oh. It's not working. Oh,
Okay, switch. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go.
okay.
Let me hold it for you. Take a rest.
Yeah, to the
Take a rest.
yeah, suspense. Like that.
We're gonna work it out. It's okay. Because it broke in here. You see?
Oh, that broke off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was scared when I saw that. I stopped because I was thinking,
I would not make it.
yeah,
Because, I was doing well. I got up, but you just spin and push,
yeah.
and I just couldn't control.
Then you lose your balance. It happened.
Still, I love this road.
But that's the part of the off-road, man. Yeah.
This is the hardest one.
Yeah, because I mean,
Going this way?
yeah.
You went, oh no, which way did you go?
I went center.
This one right there.
Yeah, because I came here like this way,
Yeah.
then this way in here to have the grip on this stone.
Right.
Then I went here to get there.
Right. I was here. And this is where I lost. It just kept rolling on, just kept spinning.
Yeah, it's
My
a
right foot was too high, right?
yeah.
And that's it. Oh.
It's okay, we can fix it. I'm really impressed about
The rock.
the rocks, yeah?
Yeah.
Because look at that. Like it's all burning and the bubble of oxygen. Really impressive, this place. It looked like the moon.
What?
It looked like we were on the moon. So we are back on track. Oh nice, we can see the Mount Agung over there. And the beautiful 0DS. Oh my god, you can jump it! Oh my god. That's a crazy road, yeah?
Yeah.
I knew you love it.
I love it. I just wish I didn't fall there.
It's okay.
Wow.
It happened to the best of us.
Yeah. Probably be harder on CB 500X, yeah?
Yeah.
Be harder.
Yeah.
This would be easy on it. Wow.
Because you see that road, actually you can jump the thing. I jumped a couple of times, I just like, whoa!
Saw that. I was gonna try and do that, but no.
Enough for today, you know.
One accident. What is this?
Sand.
No. Kapur maybe.
Kapuria, Kapuria. Chalk, Kapur. Chalk. Craie en français. Yeah, chalk. 77%. Oh, it's okay, I have enough to go home.
Langsung musik ini ya. Oh, ini.
Yeah, सूक्ष्म. So just arrived back in Andrew Place and look at that. The FX is at 2%, the range is 4.8 kilometer. So I just made it from Kintamani on time, just on time. 95 kilometer trip one, so I guess that's what we did. and the range is 4.8 now with 2%.
But this makes sense.
Yeah, that makes
Yeah.
sense. So how many percent you have, Aldo?
I have 42%.
And your range is still 150 kilometer, right?
No, that's a trip.
Oh, that's the trip.
That's a trip.
So that's the trip from today.
Yeah.
100.
Yeah,
So you did
57.9.
157.9, and you still have 42%.
Yeah.
So click on the range to see how much they give on the range over there, because it's quite accurate.
So 210 kilometers left.
Oh yeah,
Really?
200. Still
No.
200 kilometer
That
left.
doesn't make sense. So it's like saying this bike can do 300 kilometers? No.
It could be 300 kilometers.
Don't think so.
So this is the time. It's 9:51. My range is 306 kilometer. Let's see how many kilometers we're gonna do with that. The skull bike,
Ghost ride.
the Ghost Rider, because it doesn't make any sound.
We gotta paint that sticker white. That white sticker. All right, let me get him.
Yeah.
Whoa! You gotta. This is the easy one because you have a kickstand side now. Oh.
All right. Yeah.
And now you got a kickstand too.
So the good news, Aldo, is that you're gonna travel this way. Put your helmet on.
All right. Easy, right? I don't even need to
You know, like
use
the old movies, you know. So I'm gonna put the camera here, and then you're gonna ride.
I have a blue screen behind or something
Yes,
like that.
something like
that.